What's the meaning of bell pull? Bell pull. Bell pull.
Bell pull. Bell pull. A bell pull is a type of mechanical device that is used to summon or call someone by ringing a bell. It typically consists of a rope or chain that is attached to a bell or set of bells, which can be located in various parts of a building or structure. When the rope or chain is pulled, it causes the bells to ring, thereby alerting someone to the fact that they are needed or summoned. Bell pulls have been used for centuries in various settings such as homes, churches, and schools. They continue to be used today as a nostalgic feature in traditional houses or as a decorative element in modern interiors.